Good morning everyone, Newborn Investor here and welcome back to another live day trading video. Hopefully we get some great opportunities today as we're all here to make some money. But before we get into today's video, if you really appreciate my live trades, show me some support by hitting the like and subscribe button. It means a lot. That being said, let's get straight into today's action. Pre-market, we do have a clear downtrend, both QQQ and SPY gapping down. Tesla gapping down even further. I think today would be another red day for the markets, but could quickly reverse. With the current trend, I'm bearish, but I'll wait for market open to see how both SPY and QQQ reacts and then define my trades based on that. We do have over 20 minutes to market open, so I'll go ahead and pause for now and I'll talk to you guys at market open. Market is open, watching SPY. I think today is also another red day. $295 I got in. My stop would be low of this candle. A big lower wick. Not panicking, staying the course here. I think it has the potential to retest yesterday's closing price. Giving it some time. Making new high, please. Struggling a lot. Exactly. This was the kind of a move I was looking. Give me some more. Getting out. $25. It's really struggling to make that massive move. I was expecting a much bigger move immediately, but it did not happen. So I took it out. Looks like today it would continue to go higher from here. Massive sell-off. Wow. Super glad that I exited. Coming down like crazy. I tried to do a bounce from here, but it's very risky right now. That is a massive, massive blow to SPY. Premiums moved from 350 to 190 in a matter of minutes. SPX is approaching 3,800. $320. I'm in. Anticipating a bounce. I'm just holding one. Out. And the $20 added. I was watching the daily chart of SPX. As you could see here, I've identified a support level on the daily, and I used it to go long and see how it's trying to bounce. I knew that SPX would try to retest 3,800 before it wants to continue down. The two trades that I took today was against the trend, and it was risky. Look at SPY now. Made a new low. Could be a fake breakdown. I think so. Probably triggered some stop losses. Now it's going back up again. But I think I am done with the risk today. An okay day of trading, making $50 in around 21 minutes. No reasons to complain. As I always say, my goal here is not to hit home runs, but to make consistent base hits and live another day to trade. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Until then, stay safe and thanks for watching. Bye.